How to fix important battery message on iPhone. Hey everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. Now for that, simply go ahead and open up your settings. Now once you are inside settings, scroll below and then tap on general. Once you are inside general, simply tap on software update and make sure your iPhone is up to date. Now once you do that, hit back to general, scroll all the way to the below and then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Once you tap on it, you'll find two options, reset and erase all content and settings. Simply tap on reset and then tap on reset all settings. Once you tap onto it, your phone will be set to default. Now once it is done, if it still does not fix your issue, then what you have to do is hit back to your home screen. Now after that, simply tap on the volume up button and volume down button and now simply press the power off button for 20 seconds until you see this kind of interface. Now once you are here, keep pressing the power off button until you find the Apple logo. And once you do that, you'll then be able to fix important battery message on iPhone. And that is how you can do it, guys. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end and stay tuned until our next upload.